So I've been using the Logitech Alto keys for a couple of days now, and I'm getting on with it pretty well. I don't love the non-full-size layout. Lack of a full-size 0 key does bother me a little bit, as well as the delete key being all the way up here. I kind of reach for it occasionally and forget that it's all the way up there, so I'm still getting used to that. We'll see how it goes. But I mean, it is a aesthetically pleasing layout having it this way, and the sound is pretty good. I'm not a huge fan of the softness of the switches in this, so I've ordered some Keychron clicky blue switches to put in, and we'll do another sound test with the same mic preamp and everything after this, once I get those switches just to compare. But here's how it sounds at the moment.